Hold on, let me get some of my chest real quick.
Oh, brother, this guy's sick!
I ain't gonna lie.
What's up, Fronto family? Back again with another video. We're in a place called Up Down. It's like they got video games everywhere. People playing Mario Kart, stuff like that. We finna try to find us a little shooting game or something. Got the coins with me already. We're gonna try this game out right here. Time crisis. We finna get going. I'm finna use my left hand. I think I'm better with the left. Put a quarter in him up. You feel me? There go. That's my right hand. Let's go. Yo, hold on. There we go. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got going on. You feel me? I gotta do what you gotta do. Stage 1. Let's see. Don't give no fuck about this. Okay. Wait. How the fuck is it? How you select the weapon? What? Press what? Press the R. I'm like, well, how the fuck you do this? Like a bow. Alright, there. Give me that. Get that man's right there. We got access. That's all you need to know. Back up. Back the fuck up. Matter of fact. Flag gun, nigga. Revolver, nigga. Oh, this is pistol. Back your ass up. Back up. Come on. Who want what, son? The fuck off. Yeah. Hold on. Hey, you that Uzi. Back up. Back up. You want smoke. Dodge the bullet. I'm dodging bullets. Oh. Back up. He dead. We good to go. Get the nigga out the sky. Get them niggas out the sky. Son. What's up? They didn't even see me coming. They didn't even see me coming. Wow. Headshot. That's all I'm known for around here. Headshot McGee. Oh snap! I was supposed to be shooting at niggas. I'm talking my shit. Gotta wait. Bow. Back up. Bow. I'm trying to shoot that nigga. Bow. Oh, shit. Oh shit. Back up. Oh shit, nigga hit me with a rocket. Back up, we ducking action. Back up. No, we got that Uzi on us. That Uzi. Bye. Stupid ass back. You see how he got hit up? And blow up. Oh shit. Damn. That was that game called Revolution. Music is the weapon. See if this works. Oh, okay, need two. fucking up the helicopter. I'm already fucking up the helicopter. Wow, I'm fucking up like this. Music is the weapon. Use the music. Use the music. Use the music as a weapon. Shooting at the cat. What? Yeah, back up. Back up. I don't know what the fuck you thought this was. Getting them. Getting them. Back up. 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 Everybody getting it. Everybody getting it. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Ah. Quick draw McGraw. Good action. Get the fuck on out of here. We don't give no fuck about what the fuck you thought you had going on. Back up. Damn. That's it. Wait. Alright, bet. Play it again. Play it again. Back up. Back up. Back up. Fucking the car up. You're fucking it up. Fucking the back up. Fucking the back up. It looks like these niggas on roller skates. What is these niggas on roller skates doing? Back up. Back up. They got Chance playing in the background. Oh no, it's not even Chance. This is some African nigga. Headshot. 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 Get the fuck off that. Get the fuck off that ladder. Get the fuck back. Who wants some? Who want what, son? Who want what, son? Who want what, son? Who want what, son? Fuck the club up. Fuck the club up. Back up. Back up. Fuck his kneecaps up. Fuck his kneecaps up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Headshot. 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 You don't choose the right way. The right way always. Back the fuck up. Do this. What's fucking on? We shooting everything. Oh. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Headshot. 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 Ain't fucking around. Ain't fucking around. Ain't fucking around over here. This is John Wick era, right? This is John Wick mode right here. Shoot with my eyes closed. Oh, that's it. I'll shoot with my eyes closed. Got did a one-hand thing. Oh, snap. Okay. Oh, one-handed. One-handed terrible. Oh, snap. Hold on. Okay, there we go. We gotta find the arc. Find the arc. Man, they hitting the rim. Find the arc. Oh my goodness, find the arc. Oh, find the arc. Oh my goodness, find the arc. Oh, terrible. Okay, that went in. That went in. Okay, we gotta get better at this. We gotta get better at this. Yeah, oh damn. Aim for the square. Oh snap. Aim. Okay, there we go. Oh snap. Okay, we gotta make one of the shot clock. Shot clock cheese. Damn, didn't make it. Didn't make it. Didn't make it. You got 13 points though. 13. Shit, we need to try that again. One more time. One more time. You hear me? Let's go. Go. It's in there. Hold on. Come on, they gotta be in there. Come on. I'm trying to use the camera to measure the shots. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Trash City. Trash City. Trash City. Oh my goodness. Okay. Hold on. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, hold on. Damn, hold on. Oh my goodness, hold on. Oh my goodness, we doing worse than last time. Hold on. We gotta be 13, Pronto family. We gotta be 13. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's raining threes. It's drizzling twos. Shot clock. Oh, damn. We got 21 this time. Where my brightness on? I don't know why my brightness is on. But alright. Try to get the little bug. Ooh. Please. Back up. He's in the way. Hang up. I'm going full. Hell no. Oh, wow. Well, that's it. Out of the up, down. Right now, I'm finna look for probably something to eat or probably something to drink. Kind of thirsty. And shit. It was pretty fun. The last game I played was Pac-Man. That had like some decent amount of rounds in it. But other than that shit, you feel pretty good out here too. Might go to this damn Chicago store, see what they got in this store right here. Chicago's very own. Say popcorn butter cookies and shit. I don't know. I don't feel like going into a bar. But I am thirsty though, like I said. I might try to get something by the crib. I don't know. We gonna see though. Like I said, love y'all, Fronto family. Come with y'all with the next one.